Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure every device is using the same Apple ID and has internet. Once signed in, go to Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac and enable iCloud contacts. This immediately designates iCloud as the source of truth, so contacts begin syncing instead of staying local. Make sure you have the latest OS for compatibility. If prompted, merge local contacts with iCloud to avoid duplicates. After enabling, give it a minute to upload your address book to iCloud. Once done enabling iCloud, open contacts on each device and confirm iCloud is the default account. This prevents new entries from going to Gmail or an Exchange account by mistake. If you see contacts from multiple sources, temporarily disable other accounts to force consolidation. Make sure groups are visible so you can inspect which contacts live in iCloud. If duplicates appear, use the Contacts Apps Merge feature on Mac or a trusted cleanup app. To finish, confirm everything synced by visiting iCloud. And checking your contacts list, that's the single source you want. If something didn't appear, toggle iCloud contacts off and back on to force a sync, and when asked, choose to merge. If syncing still stalls, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, verify you have iCloud storage space, and reset network settings as a last step. One key tip: always check iCloud first to separate device issues from cloud issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.